Hey guys, so we're doing the Fanatics Box 1 team draw now. It's 8:41 p.m. Melbourne time. If you end up in spot 1, you will get the bonus hit. Random live participants. We're going 5 times. Good luck. This is for the bonus hit essentially. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. James, congrats. Now we'll see everyone's teams, what they get. And we're going 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So the Pelicans, Tim Watson, the Grizz, Benji Mack, the Bulls, the Lager. They're the good ones. And I'll put up the teams now. And that's it.